Hello everyone, this is Dan here from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to take you through the portfolio area within Insight for WordPress. So to begin with, we're going to look at the theme options, which allow you to control the portfolio archive, and then we're going to add our own project just so you can see how it all works. So looking at the theme options, we can go to Customize, and within here you'll see the portfolio archive settings. So we've got the header and layout settings. So here we can specify whether we want to show or hide the breadcrumbs. We can pop in our own title as well as our own description. And from the layout settings, you can choose from one of the many portfolio layouts. Just choose how you want to have your portfolio feed display on your archive. Now once you're done there, if you want to add your own project to the feed, then what we can do is go to New and Portfolio. And as you can see, what we've got here is very similar to a regular WordPress editing area. However, we've got a few extra options below, which we'll go through now. So to start with, let's give it a title. Let's call it Dan's Project. We'll give it a featured image. Just something nice from the library will do. So let me just pick something randomly. There you go, that'll be okay. We can pop in some descriptive text. Now obviously you may want to be a little bit more advanced than popping in just some random blurb, but that's entirely up to you. And then if you wish, you can assign it to a category. Now if you've imported the demo data, you'll see you've got a few here already, but of course you can add your own as you wish. So let's hit publish and take a look and see what we've got so far. Okay, so there it is. You can see we've got our single project, we've got the title, the descriptive text, but not much else. And that's where we start adding in things with these boxes below. However, if we refresh the portfolio archive, you can see the featured image we've used is what's used to display your project here, so do choose wisely. Okay, back in the portfolio editing area, what we're going to do now is add some gallery images as well as choose a layout so you can see how it all works. So to start with, I will pick a few random images from our library. We can choose a layout from the various options, and we'll go through those in a moment. And then below this we can add additional details to the project. So what that means is if we look at our demo project, you can see here we've got an extra space where we can add some more details. So if I put in things like the client, you can maybe put in the industry that they work in, even the year of when you've done the project. It's really up to you. You can just keep adding extra sets of details as you wish. So if we were to publish that, oops, forgot to publish. Just quickly add these in again. And maybe one more for good measure. Okay, so we've added 4 sets of details there. We'll update the post, refresh, and you can see that's all appearing perfectly. So now we'll go back to the actual bulk of the project, which will be our images. I did forget to update the post, so I'll just quickly add some more images again. There you go. Now the default layout, the single project 1, just so you can get an idea of what that looks like. That'll give you a nice feed of images here which will appear and can be zoomed in as you wish. If we look at the next layout, there we go. It puts them in a nice grid with your details over to the right. And again we'll look at layout 3. As you can see, that'll give you a nice carousel of your images. Now this thing, if you are going to use this particular layout, I would personally suggest to you make sure your images are all the same size. The carousel will stretch to the size of the largest image, which is fine, but obviously as you can see, if you're using loads of different size images, it can create this gap. So I would suggest to use the same size for the best look. And if we go to Portfolio Layout 4, you can see we've got a much larger carousel at the top here, as well as the details, etc. below. And that's basically it. If you do have any problems with the portfolio, then do come and let me know over at support. Other than that, have fun with the theme, and thanks for watching.